Well, we've all been there before when you have a 3-hole punch that isn't working properly. And whenever I went to line my paper up earlier, I couldn't even slide it in. But now it's only giving me 2 holes. And that's because the retaining clip, or what I'm using is an E-clip, fell out. I had to go purchase this because the other one was missing. But it goes right onto this pin. And in that pin, in there is a spring. And if you get the E-clip in between the spring and the metal and on the actual area made for it on the pin, and that will allow it to slide back up and down under the effect of the spring. So I first slide it in, kind of line it up. You can see it in there real well now. You just take it and push it. Behind the spring. Oh, I need to start on the other side. I start on this side because it's where the spring ends. And that usually gives you a better area to slide your clip into. Once you get it on there, just slightly started, just kind of push it in all the way. With the flathead screwdriver. And there you go. Now that retention clip's back inside, whenever I press on this, it operates the way it's supposed to operate. So then, I'll just put it back in. Come in from the back side of it, where the thread will go back in. Drop it. Do a little shake. Not like that. Let's see. Just kind of move it over there to where we can get the thread line back up. And we line it up where it was before with the 3-hole punch. If you want, you can tighten that with the screwdriver. Ooh. And now we have them all in place and they're open. So let's go ahead and test this one more time. Now we have 3 holes. So that worked well. We put the bottom piece back on. And that is essentially brand new. Thanks for joining us.